What's going on, family? Right now we're doing our first shakedown, listen to, making sure everything is everything. And it feels really weird because I'm riding dirty as hell right now. No headlights, can hardly see my tail light, no mirrors. It's about 11 o'clock on a weekday. I'm out here on some pretty residential roads, so hopefully, I'll just keep an eye and make sure anybody behind me, I can signal well and all of that. See what the brakes feel like. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so ready. Let me bang down a few gears. Yeah, I'm so ready. Woo! Oh shit, now how am I gonna turn around? How am I gonna turn around? Because that's all we wanted to do. We wanted to make sure our brakes work well. And that's about it. Damn, she feels good. Okay, we're gonna turn around right after this truck here. Oh shit! Okay, that's something to take note of. Can't do a full lock turn. Damn. Okay, that's noted. Oh, I'm low on gas. What? I hope that's all that was. Oh, fuck, I'm super low on gas. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ooh, I hope we can make it. I'm about to run out of gas. Damn. I got my cell phone on me, though. Damn. That's terrible. Oh, well, that is this vlog.